Hotel Oskar Loški Potok is situated at the heart of the inner Karst region. It is an ideal getaway for everyone seeking a romantic weekend, a pleasant break in the midst of intact nature, or even an organized event, a seminar or a celebration. We offer comfortable rooms in a peaceful area, as well as the possibility of fun activities at the local bowling alley. Your stay will get perfect when seasoned with our excellent food. Welcome